In 2018, Newmar Corporation engineered and pioneered a full-size emergency exit door. Right behind me on this Dutch Star is the placing and location of the emergency exit door. The simplicity of this door is very easy to use. We're going to go inside. I'm going to show you how to open, unlock, drop the ladder down, and safely exit the motorhome. Let's head inside, guys. So, no matter what Newmar we're standing in, when you're in the master bathroom of the motorhome, the exit emergency door will be located either behind a toilet or onto the sidewall. In this case, on this floor plan, the emergency exit door is located directly on the sidewall. The positioning of the door handles are in the lock positions. To unlock, turn the lever to the left and the door handle lever to the right. This unlocks the door completely and allows you to press it out and have the door lock in place. Before the door locks in place, remove the front fascia where the location of your ladder is located. You can unbutton it for now. Take the Velcro off, push the door out, hold the ladder. As you expand the door out, the ladder does float forward and the legs begin to flex all the way out to the ground. Once the door and the ladder are locked in place, to step out of the coach safely, you do have that locked grab bar on the door. Put one foot on the top step. I like to put my hand either on the toilet or onto the solid surface countertop to take my second step. And as I take my second step down, a good reach down to the lower arm of the flooring from the sidewall is another good position to hold on for safety. Step down each leg, and voila, you're outside of the coach. You were able to sneak out without anybody knowing. It was perfect.